From the very beginning, I felt like I was gonna have some issues fitting in.
All I wanted to do was to prove to my parents I'm not a failure.
Everyone is big, Polynesian looking, and I'm here, small, Asian, skinny, Filipino looking kid. I'm gonna see if they're gonna take me, and hopefully they do.
Good morning and welcome. We're excited to have you here with us today.
You have to audition in front of everybody.
I was so nervous and so scared.
I don't blame them for being nervous.
It can be overwhelming.
The first number will be 14.
You ever watch Gladiator? You win the crowd, you win your freedom.
Female fire knife dancers are very rare.
It's a male-dominated sport, but for us to pull it off on the big stage when we feel like we did really good, I think we know it.
Imagine dancing for 90 minutes solid, hard.
People say we're slave labor. People say that we're selling our culture for money.
Take a picture, it lasts longer.
Is it cultural appropriation? I call it cultural survival.
It's not just about performing. This is about sharing your culture. This is about sharing who you are as a people.
They didn't go on Google. They learned it at the knees of their ancestors.
A lot of us kids were able to come from the islands, be able to get an education because of this place.
Most students are in debt almost for life.
A tia chip sao.
Students are able to get an education almost for free, which is unheard of.
I found a family here.
It's been going good. They haven't kicked me out yet, so